channel RK SoftAcademy. So who are watching this tutorial new or who are the new visitor, for them a short introduction about my channel and about me. So my this YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy, I uploads various videos on Oracle different technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development, that is called Developer 2000, Oracle database administration, and also Oracle performance tuning, and Unix shell programming and shell scripting. So all these different modules, videos on all these different modules I uploads here, and I already uploaded many videos as you see in my screen, and you just watch one by one, starting from SQL or structured query language. I have many videos on SQL, I have many videos on PLSQL programming, many advanced topics on PLSQL programming, many advanced topics on Oracle database administration, and also performance tuning. And I have started Oracle interview questions and answers. As you see in my screens, I have already shared many videos on Oracle different questions and answers you may face on an Oracle interview. So there are many videos or interview questions and answers, and also there are videos of Oracle database, Oracle forms developer 2000, as you see in my screen. So this all these videos you just watch one by one, and in each video I tried to explain each topic in easy and understandable way, so that you can after watching my video you can learn the topic well. And I explained each topic in detail and with hands-on practical. Okay, so just watch my video from the start to the end so that you can understand it well. Okay, and now a little bit introduction about me. I am Rabin, and I have total of 17 years of experiences working with all these Oracle technologies, as I said, and also Unix technologies. And right now I am a senior Oracle consultant, as well as technical and corporate trainer and interviewer. So I have been providing training last 10 years to candidates, many candidates, and also employees of various MNC companies. When employees joined in MNC companies, they require training, so I provide training for them, and also I provide training for experienced people also in companies, because some people may work in another project and they can switch to Oracle projects and they need the training, so I provide the training for them also, experienced people also. So this is about my channel, and this is about me, introduction about me. And in today's tutorial session I'll discuss about one new topic for Oracle database administration, and the topic is Oracle physical database structures. Okay, so I'll discuss about Oracle physical database structures. So I'll discuss about these four topics here. As you see, first one is what is physical database structures and how it is made up of. Number 2 is what is data files. Number 3 is what is control files. Number 4 is what is online doc files. Okay, so first of all I want to discuss about what is physical database structures. So physical database structures, Oracle has two structures. One is logical database structures, and one is physical database structures. Okay, so I already uploaded a video on logical database structures. As you see, I can just show you. This is the Oracle DBA logical database structures. This video is for logical database structures. I have already uploaded the logical database structures one video for, and you just watch this video before watching this video so that you can understand it better way. Okay, now coming to the topic, what is physical database structures? So Oracle physical database structures is a set of files. Okay, and this set of files basically controls the Oracle database, and these files are basically used for storing data and maintain the Oracle database. Okay, so how it is made up of? So Oracle data physical database structures is made up of mainly three types of files. The first one is data files, next one is control files, and the important third one is online redo log files. Okay, so I'll discuss each file, what is the data file, what is the necessity of data file. Then I'll discuss about the control file and what is the necessity of control file, and what is the necessity of online redo log files. Okay, so first one is data. What is data file? So Oracle basically stores data in a table structure, and which is basically the logical database object, and it stores in the table space. Okay, so Oracle maintains logical database structure in table space, and whatever data we store data in tables and indexes. Okay, but physically the actual data is stored in the data file. Okay, so I'm repeating again, the actual data Oracle stores in the physical file, that is called data file, and it is the operating system level file. Okay, so this is the data file where the actual data has been stored. Okay, and the data file is basically stores the information, various information, important information like data file header, and the size of the data file, what is the size of the data file, what is the used block, how many block are used in the data file, how many block are free in the data file. Okay, so this is the data file where actually data are stored for Oracle database. Okay, and this is very important file for maintaining a database. I can show you one graphical picture of the relation between these three files for to maintain the Oracle database physical structures. So this okay, I'm opening that file. Where is the diagram is there? Yes. So in the logical database structure, we have our database contains table spaces. So these are the table spaces, and each table space contains segments, then extents and data blocks, the smallest unit, and which I have covered in my logical database structure video. And in this video physical database structures, I can show you that this is the structure of the physical database, and where it includes mainly three types of files. First one is the data files, which I already discussed, and there are one or more data files, and there will be one control file must be present in the database, and two or more online redo log files must be present in Oracle database. Okay, so an Oracle physical database structure contains more than one data files, one control file, and two or more online redo log files. Okay, so this is the physical database structure of Oracle database, and I'm going to the topic again. So next is control file. What is control file? So control file basically stores the important information which basically is required to which is basically required to operate on Oracle database. So control files actually stores the metadata information, and the metadata information are basically used to perfectly work for to work for a database smoothly. It is required, one control file must be required. Okay. And in control file, the metadata has been stored, and other information also, other some information also stored in the control file, and some of other important informations that are stored in the control file are, first one is database id, next one is database name, then data file name, then data file location, redo log file information, table space information, and some checkpoint information. Okay, so this is all about the control files, which are very very important to run a database. And third one, so I have described everything about the control file. And next one is, what is online redo log files. So online redo log files comes into the picture when a database transaction occurs. Okay, so whenever a database transaction is executed, there must be online redo log files, as I described earlier. There must be two or more online redo log files in a database. And whenever a database transaction is executed, the online redo, it has been written, the whatever the changes have been made in the database, it has been written on the online redo log files. Okay, so I'm repeating again, whenever a database transaction occurs or executed, whatever the necessary changes, permanent changes happened on the database, that database changes is written on the online redo log file. Okay, so whenever and this writing process is being done by the one Oracle process that is called database writer. So whenever a transaction is executed, the permanent, whatever the permanent changes in the database, that has been written in the online redo log file by the database writer process. Okay, or DBWR process. And once online redo log file is fold or is being fold, the next online redo log files comes into the picture, and Oracle database working with it. Okay, so that's why two or more online redo log files is required, and the whichever is fold, that is that will go to the archives. Okay, so and this is called the after full of one redo log online redo log files, whenever it switch to the next redo log file, this process is called log switching. Okay, so this is very much important, as I explained, online redo log files. And these online redo log files contains other necessary very important information, like the online redo log files contains the transaction system change number, or the SCN number, and the timestamp of the transaction. So I'm repeating again, online redo log files contains other necessary very important information like SCN number or system change number, and the timestamp of the transaction. And next is transaction ID and operation type, what type of operation is happened, and other important information is modified data segment name and type it stores. Okay, so these are very very important three files to make the Oracle physical database structures. So I think this you have understand all these Oracle physical database structures well, and what are the component of Oracle physical structures, and how what are the data file, control file, and online redo log files, and how they are used, and what information they store. Okay, so I explained everything. I think you have understand it well, all the information. Due to time constraint, I could not write all the information. Just do a note of all this information for your preparation. Okay, and this is all for this today's video tutorial. And just for if you want separate training on any of the modules like SQL or PLSQL programming, or Oracle Forms and Reports development, or Oracle Database administration, or Oracle performance tuning, or Unix cell programming on scripting, if you need a separate training, you just give me a message or email me. The number is there in my about page. This is the WhatsApp number and this is my email ID. So you can just email me if you have any further question. If you want to join my online interactive training courses, and if you have any questions on that, you can just write me in WhatsApp number or email. I will reply back on that. And there is a short process, and after that short process you can just join my online interactive courses on various modules, all the database, Oracle database technologies and Unix technologies, as I told you. Okay, so if you need a separate training, you just email me or WhatsApp me, and there is a short process. After completion of that short process, you can just join the online interactive training sessions. And these training sessions are very much interactive and not the pre-recorded videos, so that you can ask any questions and you can make your doubt clear. Okay, so this that is all for this today's tutorial videos. And if you find this video is informative for you, and if you find this video was useful for your learning, and if my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that you by hitting the notification bell, so that you can get informed by whenever I will upload the next video. You will get a notification and you can learn from my video and make your skill. Okay, and also share my YouTube channel name or this video link. This is the link of my video, all videos. You can just share my channel name or this video link to your friends, colleagues, and whoever you know, so that they can also learn from my video and make their skills as well. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video is informative and useful for your learning, just give a like, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you want a separate training, just follow the process which I already told you. Okay, so that's all for this today's tutorial session. Hope to see you my next video. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and bye.